Previously on the Real Neil Pack.
And we have Szechuan sauce.
What is it?
Oh! I can feel the dinosaur swirling around in my teeth. Next time I'm just gonna eat it like this.
And the thing.
Is it sort of moist in that bag?
A little bit, yeah.
Oh! It's so bad!
Mine felt like a dinosaur. But it wasn't bad though.
Looks like flat.
I'm gonna write a note. I'm getting the smell.
And now, Neil Pack presents Water Tour!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Wake up. We're gonna get some water.
Water time.
I was just there.
We can take a video of
Right
us.
We're gonna drink water now. And we're gonna taste test the bottled water and
How much water's in frame? Is it
all the water.
All the
water's
water?
in frame. You can see all the
How
water.
many different kinds do you have?
We have
We got a
Aquafina, Life Water, Smart Water, Smart Water, Smart. Dasani, Fiji, Water Joe, Core.
The camera shook just there, gonna let you know that, Neil.
You very should. You literally.
Can you stop?
You use it.
Eva.
What? And then we have tap water.
Which one's my
and
cup?
Fridge
Oh
water.
yeah, and
This one's mine.
And toilet water.
Tap.
peeking, bro.
It was.
Welcome.
And it was Neil.
To Nug Tour 2 Water Edition.
What? Yo, who's
Yes.
touching me?
Hey, bro.
Stop.
Well, it's hard to breathe in this thing.
Okay, I'm gonna start pouring the water. First one, Dasani.
Nice.
It's a blind taste test.
Oh!
That's Fiji.
Dude, you should just make an ASMR channel.
Can we drink it? Or
It looks like water. I don't know why you guys have blindfolds on. It's just water.
That's a good
Why do
point.
I have more than everyone
Why do
else?
we have blindfolds on?
I was just.
You okay?
This is the first water and you're already dying.
Oh yeah, that's Fiji. I can feel it.
You guys are children. My own
How's
list.
cutting off circulation in my head and it's not fun.
That's fine.
Take it off.
You don't need your brain.
Why are we drinking water?
I wasn't.
What are we doing?
Because we were too poor to afford burgers. So we're doing water tour. What do you think of the water, Michael?
Michael hasn't drinking water in days.
It's refreshing.
I have literally no idea what this water is.
I've only tasted like I think Dasani.
Excuse me.
Everybody
Guys,
says it wrong.
Dasani.
Or it says it
I call it
differently.
that because Dasani, like Dasani.
Dasani.
You're so
Dasani.
funny.
Dasani.
Dasani.
Get it? Because
That is an E.
Dasani.
Dasani.
It is a knee.
What do you think it is?
Fiji.
Oh, you're wrong.
You put Fiji.
I put Evian.
Wait, are you gonna tell us which one that was?
No.
No? Because then it'll be like what we did with Nug Tour, where it just narrows the options down so you know what the last two are.
Yeah, Nug Tour was not playing that very well.
Dude, that's a lot of water.
That is a lot of water.
Yeah,
Bro,
can
you gotta make it light.
Yeah, we're drinking so much water.
Yo, chill. It doesn't smell any different than the last one.
It's water.
I like this one a lot better.
It's
I
not
feel like it
different.
tastes...
This does taste different.
Yeah.
It tastes... What the? What does caffeine taste like?
Spicy? It's like spicy water.
I don't know what Hy-Vee water
Wait,
tastes
blindfolds
like.
on?
I don't
Yeah.
think
Yeah.
I've ever had Hy-Vee water.
put
I've never had like
blindfold on.
most of these waters.
I spilled the water.
Oh my, that's my
I
leg!
spilled the water on CJ.
Dude, chill!
Yes.
What did you do?
So much
Yeah.
water.
It was a bad
Bro,
call.
literally just...
No, I'm gonna take my time. Oh, it's dripping.
Oh!
Lewis me out.
I don't need any more of that, I know what that is. So this is toilet water.
No, I think this
You guys are influencing me, but I want
No,
to
no, no.
tap.
I think this is fridge. This tastes
I was
like
gonna
fridge,
choose
but it's, like,
tap or
purified.
fridge because
No, this one tastes worse than the last one, so it's tap. Well,
gonna
that depends
choose-
on if you like the purified taste or not.
I don't know. I think it's fridge.
Nope,
It was
doesn't
dripping
anymore.
because it was hard to pour it into the cup because the cup was in a glass.
Oh,
I'm
screw.
gonna purposely spill an entire bottle on CJ just to prove that wrong.
This is tap.
Go, 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 go.
Stop! What are you
I
doing?
called the bathroom first after this, by the way.
Okay, next water. I've actually poured a lot.
Oh my gosh!
Stop.
All this water tastes the same.
I have my final answer.
I'm gonna say. I'm gonna say smart.
I'm expecting one of these to taste drastically different.
Yeah.
Wait, 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 wait. There was a little different taste to that though.
That's 10.
What is it called? Evian or
This is
something?
definitely Aquafina.
Ewian?
Oh, what the?
Oh, hey.
Who touched my thigh?
Oh. It doesn't look any different.
Oh, I forgot to smell the
I'm
last
changing
one.
my. Can I change my answer from the past round?
Yeah.
Oh! This is not good.
Dude, I don't think I've liked any of these.
Dude, I think this is fridge.
It wouldn't be fridge because Ben thinks it's really bad. Because Ben probably drinks his fridge water.
I took my pee.
Oh, my friend actually drank his pee one time. We were really dehydrated.
Where
it doesn't
were you?
work.
Hiking?
He was, yeah, we were hiking and we
Oh.
had been like lost for like 5 hours. He was
Oh my
delusional
God.
and drank his own pee.
I'm gonna number
You
them.
guys ready?
We
Yeah.
going down.
Okay, go blinded.
Going timber.
Michael, is
You
that
better move. You better dance.
Okay,
Give me a night.
Can I leave?
You won't.
y'all are blinded.
It makes me
Oh,
wanna,
yes.
It makes me want to pee
Yes,
so
it
much.
does.
That's because he is peeing.
Okay, go.
Oh, yes.
Come on, bro.
These all taste the same.
They all taste bad.
It'll just taste like water.
Ditto word.
Beef.
Okay, we good.
Dude,
Core.
I'm just gonna put a random one because
This has a different feel to it.
I don't know, it tasted a
Water
little-
Joe.
Dude, this is so smooth.
You like that water?
This water is really smooth.
Oh. Okay, finish
Cool.
up your lists and put your masks on.
That's good water. I don't even know what that one is. What is it, 7?
Yeah.
dude, watch it be tap water.
CJ, I'm sorry in advance.
What is that supposed to mean?
Ew.
There's a lot of water there.
He
isn't
spit it in.
We good.
Water.
I might already know what it is.
What are you apologizing for?
Oh my! I'm changing my answer. I know what this is. I know what it is.
You're just dumping water all over yourself.
This is tap. This is tap.
Water. I want to
The other one was fridge.
I like.
I
Yeah,
just
I
drank
ground
a
him
cat.
up.
No, stop.
Boys, he had to
Oh, it's
twist it.
core.
No, you don't
You
twist
have to
core. You
pop
pop.
the lid open.
No, but it was a twist. You could hear. You heard him twist.
Wait.
You could also hear the pop of it.
This is definitely Water Joe then.
Okay.
It looks like water.
It's cold.
You like
Michael's
it?
being sophisticated.
I think I know what that is
What do
actually.
you think?
That's not good.
It's alright.
Yes.
Hold up, I'm gonna.
If I were desperate, I would drink water. Look life.
What are my options?
Hey,
Hey!
I feel like Michael's actually a water connoisseur.
He's
Okay.
gonna get all of these right.
I haven't done Water Joe because
I'm
I
not.
feel like I would know what the caffeine, like if it was caffeine.
No, I feel like we've already done Water Joe, but I have no idea which one it is.
I like how you're gonna share your opinion, and he's just like, no.
Your opinion's false.
Incorrect.
Ben, it'd be funny if I started peeing in the cup, wouldn't it?
I think it's Water Joe.
Something was gonna be bad.
Okay, you're good.
Yeah, it's Water Joe.
What did I guess?
I give it a solid 3. I'm very underimpressed.
Hey, whoever gets the most points,
Has to buy me lunch.
What?
what?
Okay, you're good.
Oh
wow,
CJ! Oh my god!
Oh no! Dude, this is so much water. It actually kind of hurts.
That's the only water I actually enjoyed.
That's not bad. Smart water?
Wait, I haven't done life yet.
You just touched my butt, bro.
That was the cable, bro.
Okay, so everybody say their number one. We'll start CJ and just go down. Say what you think the first one was.
Evian.
Fiji.
Fiji.
Dasani.
Smart.
Hy-Vee water.
What?
CJ, start with number 2.
Fridge.
Smart.
Ivy.
I think I did smart too.
Ivy.
Fiji.
Dang it.
Really?
Yeah.
Fiji wasn't very good. I thought it was tap water.
I thought it was fridge.
Ivy water was better than Fiji.
Yeah, I
Like-
like water smacks, bro.
Dasani.
Wait, you say the third one?
Fridge. Aquafina.
Also fridge.
Fridge.
Okay, it's fridge.
Let's
Yeah,
go!
let's
Okay, go for number 4.
Aquafina.
Aquafina.
Smart.
Evian.
Life.
Core.
Oh, I gotta pee so bad.
We'll get through this.
Whoever
What?
gets the most points gets to use the bathroom.
No!
So you said core, you said Dasani.
Fridge.
Life.
Joe.
It's water, Joe.
Man.
Wow.
Mike got that one right. Hy-Vee.
Ivy.
You both said Hy-Vee?
Yeah, what'd you say?
Okay.
6.
What's your number 6?
Dawsony.
And then I said Ivy too.
Aquafina.
Smart water.
Dang.
Life.
Core.
Core.
Aquafina.
Dasani.
Dasani.
Mike's gonna win.
Michael's gonna win.
Tap.
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 It's tap. Smart water.
Yeah. I have Evian.
Life.
Life.
Fiji.
Aquafina.
What?
Man.
That's so stupid.
Water Joe.
Water Joe.
Water Joe.
Water Joe.
Glacier.
Life water. Just go. Just
Fiji.
Life. Evian.
Fiji.
Core.
Evian.
Really?
You got a point. It was
Let's
Evian.
freaking go.
How many did you get?
I got 2.
Evian
I
was
got
also
two as
really
well.
good.
Michael, did you get 3?
I got 4.
Oh
Michael
my
freaking
god.
Do you need to pee?
No.
Do you want
Do
to
you
pee?
need
Well, then you get to choose
Wait,
you should
who
be-
does.
Can I go?
You
Can I
choose-
pee? Please.
Choose who pees
You want
next.
to pee?
Yeah, okay.
What the?
Shut up!
I